Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Lily on piano. To begin, you will first identify the main melody and its key signature, which is often in a major key. Next, learn the basic chord progression that underpins the entire song, typically involving 3 or 4 fundamental chords. Then, practice the right-hand melody and left-hand chords independently to build muscle memory and familiarity with each part before combining them. For the right hand, concentrate on the melody notes, which frequently reside within the middle C to G octave. Proper finger placement is crucial for smooth transitions between notes and phrases. Begin practicing at a very slow tempo, perhaps at 60 beats per minute, to ensure every note is accurate and the rhythm is consistent. This careful approach builds a strong foundation for your performance. Now, for the left hand, focus on understanding the root position and common inversions of the chords. It is essential to coordinate the left hand's chord changes precisely with the right hand's melody. Strive to maintain a steady rhythm throughout the song, ensuring that each chord change is clean and well-timed. This provides the harmonic foundation for the entire piece. When combining both hands, start very slowly, perhaps at 40 beats per minute, gradually increasing the speed as you gain confidence. Utilize a metronome to significantly improve your timing and ensure consistent rhythm throughout the piece. For optimal progress, practice in short, focused sessions of 15 to 20 minutes daily. This consistent effort will yield the best results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.